So, guys, I'm back again with another exciting opportunity for you all. I bet you can't wait to see this particular opportunity. Guess what? This is what this platform has paid me in just few months of registration. Just few months, and I've gotten such huge amount of money. Isn't it amazing? With my smartphone, I didn't go anywhere. I didn't do anything. Just with my smartphone. Now, I'm going to walk you through step by step on what this platform is all about. And guess what? The name of this platform is called Multi-Stream. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe as usual. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell because on my channel, I talk about money, I talk about opportunity, I talk about side hustle, and I talk about finance. Yes, that's all what my channel is all about. So if this resonates well with you, do well to subscribe to my channel. My name is Odi Esther. So let's go to this platform. Now, this platform, what they're asking you to do in multi-stream is simply register with a company, come on board, use their product, tell other people about the product, and get paid for it. Yes, our company actually has a particular product, and this product is health related product. There are a lot of people who are battling with so many illness. We have IBP, we have fibroid, we have cervical cancer, we have arthritis, we have ovarian cyst, and a whole lot of illnesses. This product is tested and trusted, and a lot of testimonies. I'm going to be putting them up in the screen of my phone. So you see some reviews of people who have used our products. Now, the most amazing thing about this product, about this company, is that you have the opportunity to earn in 13 different ways. 13 ways. Yes, I've been earning from this company and I decided to share it with my audience and those that may be interested in this opportunity. Tell people that whenever you come across an opportunity, try it out. You don't know if it's going to be your stepping stone to financial freedom. One of the things I always tell people is you need financial freedom, you need time freedom. I mean, this particular platform gives you time for other things. You can decide to travel to anywhere you feel like. You can decide to, sleep all day. You can decide to do any. You have time at your disposal. But imagine you are working with someone. You don't have that luxury of time. You go to work every day, and you are always at the mercy of your boss. But this one gives you time freedom, gives you financial freedom. It gives you a lot of things. Okay, it gives you a lot of leverage. So that's why we have to learn how to work with our smartphone. We have to learn how to work smart instead of hard. You understand? So one of the beautiful things I also love about this company is once you register, product will be given to you. That product is given to you for free. I mean, you can actually sell off those products and get your money times two. And the beautiful thing is registration fees as little as 28,000 naira. That's for a first package, but for the student package, you can get it at 8,700 naira registration fee. Very simple, very cheap. How many companies will give you the opportunity to register with them with such little amount of money? And at the end of the day, you realize a lot of money from it. So whenever you jam opportunity like this, make good use of it. Turn it as one of your side hustle to financial freedom. Okay, so I talk about opportunities and I just want to share this with my audience. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the comment section of this video. So you can just click on it, take you straight to my WhatsApp. You chat me up and ask all the necessary questions you want to ask. We also have a WhatsApp community of over 1,000 registered members. In this community, if you want to have more idea on what this company is all about, you can join our presentation. We do presentation in our WhatsApp community twice in a week. So you can join this presentation, see how this company operates, see amazing reviews, amazing testimonies, and amazing money people are realizing from this company. Then at the end of the day, you can join us. Thank you very, very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, yes, and drop a very nice comment in the comment section. It goes a long way to help me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.